tonight, as darkness falls, let the words of Psalm 91 surround your heart with peace. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Do not be afraid of the night, for his angels watch over you. God will cover you with his wings, and beneath his protection, you will find peace. Breathe deeply. Let your heart rest in his presence. Trust him to guard your home, your family, and your soul. Sleep knowing you are safe in his hands. Subscribe now for daily prayers. Type Amen in the comments and watch the full prayer below.